Hi guys, I want to share a heart touching moment of my life. Last night I went at a cafe and I was talking to one of my friends on the call. I told him that I was feeling very lonely, and there were three Muslim guys. They were sitting and taking coffee. They called me to talk to them and they asked me why I was feeling lonely. They talked to me very politely. They made me comfortable around them. And after talking for few minutes, one of their friends came and he also asked me about my family, parents, and after talking to them, when we were about to leave from there, one of the guys gave me 1000 rupees. So I want to thank that guy who gave me 1000 rupees and the other three guys as well. Guys, you are the most kindest strangers I have ever met. Thank you so much for giving me 1000 rupees without any reason, without any condition. And I want to say happy Ramjan to you. Thank you so much, bhai.